We showing.
She's the architect of this fortress, an expert at construction with cacti. Any gap in her defenses is easily patched. A well-maintained pack rat den makes life very difficult for predators. There are so many impenetrable hiding places and fortified homes in the cactus desert. A lone Harris hawk struggles to catch enough prey. But this hunter has a deadly backup plan. The young ground squirrel must learn never to stray far from cover. But Mom has another vital lesson to teach him. 3/4 of a cactus's weight is water. They serve as reliable reservoirs, even when rain is months away. Pups catch on fast, but don't always pay attention. Diamondback rattlesnakes are ambush predators with enough venom to kill a human. Mom is always on high alert, but she needs to make sure her pups are too. Flagging her tail makes her